Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing the Rubik's Cube. So, the Rubik's Cube, that's a pro speed cube version. I can't actually go that fast, but I'm still learning. So now let's get into it. First let me scramble. Now, we can get into the video. I might make a step-by-step tutorial on how to solve it, but I don't know. Alright. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, so. And make sure you guys can see it. Alrighty. Now we're gonna move on to the... Oh wait, something ain't right. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to the second layer. Now we're doing the second layer as it starts to sew. Nice. Now we do the yellow cross. Now we have the yellow cross. And now we do yellow. And now we do the whole thing. And these moves. Also, it doesn't always work. And then that's solved Rubik's Cube. So if you do know how to solve Rubik's Cube, I'll teach you how to do the checkers pattern if you don't know. So it's pretty simple. You don't have to do so many algorithms. Like, you don't have to do a whole algorithm. It's just middle like this, which would be away from you. Turn the cube, do middle away from you, and do middle like this. And then you have checkers pattern. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next video.